Halogen lights suck. You need to upgrade to LEDs. In this video, I'm gonna review and install two different sets of LED turn signals made by Eagle Lights. If you decide to purchase these lights, I left an affiliate link down in the description. Now let's hop into it. First off, I wanna thank Keith from Eagle Lights for sending me these turn signals so I could do a review on them. Greatly appreciated. The two sets of lights that I'm gonna review today are the Generation 2 turn signals and the Infinity Beam turn signals. Let's start off with the Infinity Beams. Okay, this is the box that the Infinity Beams come in. Cardboard box, nice. Go ahead and open them up. Got this foam right here that's on top. Foam, packed really nice. Then you have the Infinity Beams in here. Let's go ahead and pull one out. There she is. Very nice. Now these either come in chrome or black. I went with the chrome, obviously because my bike has more chrome on it. So now let's pull off this plastic here. All right, there you are. Very nice. I like that the back here it's completely sealed. The cheap Amazon knockoff ones, it's just all bare back there and it's not good. I also like the plug on it. It's got these two little tabs up here, something to grab a hold of. Another thing about the Amazon lights is it doesn't have anything that you can grab a hold of to when you're trying to put it in the socket, so that's a win. This has 7 LED lights that are always on, except for when you turn on the turn signal, they'll turn off. Another note with these is they actually replace your lens cover. This whole thing just, you plug it in, put it in there, and it pops right in. The lights that are in here are their older technology, but they still claim they're really bright, so we'll see. I'm excited to see what these LED lights around the outside look like. I think it's gonna look really cool. Let's move on to the Generation 2. So basically for these, they just come in a little Ziploc bag, nothing special. Go ahead and take one of these out here. Here it is, very nice. This is basically the same light without the LED rings, but you do have to use the lens cap, no big deal. Has the same plug on it with the two little knobs so you can grab a hold of it so it's easy to plug in. The back of it is just completely sealed again. There's no exposed connections. That is huge because you don't want water going in there shorting something out. So there you have it. Pretty straightforward. I mean, they're turn signals, not much to them. I'm more interested on how these bad boys are gonna perform. But I do want to mention that these lights and all of Eagle Lights have a lifetime LED warranty. So that means if any of these bulbs in here burn out, you just send them back and they'll send you brand new ones. Let's go ahead and install these bad boys. And of course, it's an easy plug and play installation. Matter of fact, it's so easy, I'm gonna let Chuck do it.
Oh gee, thanks Joe. Hey guys, Chuck here. And for this installation, all you're gonna need is this here flathead screwdriver. Now the first thing you want to do is find the little slide in your lens cover. I'll put a picture right here for you so you know what it looks like. And then take your screwdriver, stick it in that slide, and then pry it out. Bazinga! Now after you get that done, all you gotta do is push in just a little bit and turn counterclockwise. And look at that, it's out. Now that you got the old bulb out, you're gonna go ahead and take your new bulb. You see these two little nubs right here? One right there, one right there. You're gonna line up those two nubs in your turn signal housing. Then you're just gonna push it in a little bit, turn clockwise. It's that easy. Now for the Infinity Beam, wind up the cord just a little bit and then just simply push the light in until it clicks. Good. Now it's the same process for the Generation 2 lights. Just wash, rinse, and repeat. Hey Joe, that was way too easy. I think I'm gonna open a motorcycle shop.
Yeah, okay Chuck, let me know how that works out for you. So the first bulbs that we have installed are the Infinity Beams. Let's see how they look. So those were the Infinity Beam lights. My initial thoughts is I like them, but however, I wish the center bulbs would stay illuminated the entire time until you turn on the turn signal to turn amber. That's my only gripe about them. They're bright, they look cool. Just wish that center would light up. Now let's take a look at the Generation 2. So those were the Generation 2 lights. My first initial thoughts of those is they're much brighter than stock, for sure. I like the fact that the whole light stays illuminated white, unlike the infinity beams. Overall, I'm satisfied with these bulbs, but I will say the brightness to the Eagle Lights Generation 2 compared to the Amazon knockoffs, they're about the same. The only difference is you're paying for the quality. The Eagle Lights connections on the back are completely sealed in, unlike the Amazon ones. Without that seal on the back, you're more likely to get water and moisture in there, causing it to short out. I don't know if you guys could hear that. Thunderstorm, right in the middle of my video. As far as picking the infinity beams or the Generation 2, my personal choice, I would go with the infinity beams only because they look a lot cooler if you're looking for style. If you're not looking to change the style and you like that the whole entire center stays lit up, I would go with the Generation 2 for sure. If you want to purchase either of these lights, I left an affiliate link down in the description, but wait, there's more. Use my promo code JOGO10 at checkout and you'll get 10% off your entire order. Yes, your entire order. Also, if you're active military, take advantage of their 20% off military discount.
America.
If you like these turn signals, you're gonna love their headlights. Check out this video. I do an in-depth review of their Generation 3 7-inch halo headlight. This is Jogo with Jogo Motorcycle Adventures. Until next time, ride on.